What's up guys, and welcome to the 19th tutorial of programming in Java using Eclipse. And in this tutorial it's all about nested if-else statements. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is go to the src package, right click this, go to new and then make a class and call this class test, and then take this off and then press finish. And now remove this garbage and type. But before we type, it is always legal to nest if-else statements, which means you can use one if or else statement inside another if or else if statement. Okay, now we can type in int x equals 30, close that off, int y equals 10, close that off. And now we can say if x is equal to 30, curly braces, and then if y equals to 10, curly braces there as well, remove that, system out print, and within this we can say x equals to 30 and y equals to 10. Yep. Okay. We can run and execute this now to see what we get. So we have x equals 30 and y equals 10. This is like nested if-else statement. So we are allowed to do this. We can make this x equal to 30 and y equal to 10 and then say if this and if this, then we get that. If this is equal to this and this is equal to this, this is what we are printed out with. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.